Hey everyone out there, welcome to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And I'm talking to you today about the amount of money being invested into renewables, green energy today is at such a growth rate over the last 3 years that when we look at going to the future, especially in America with the Biden administration now as president, I think when we take a look at what he's projecting and what he's pushing on the agendas for that administration, also helps the mentality of those investing and financing in that space a little more at ease, that the potentials are there, right? So we're really talking about, do we have consumer confidence and investor confidence in the potential of the tech development, the supply and demand, and the overall need and desire of the consumer? When you have those three things, I think we have those things at high capacity with almost a guaranteed promise that everybody wants it. I think it opens the door to massive investment. What I'm looking at is the amount of money that poured into, remember when the dot-coms were going on, the tech bubble? The amount of money being thrown at internet development at that time was unprecedented, right? And then when you look at the housing market, after all these crashes, you start to see the amount of money being invested into these sectors and industries. It's amazing. And then look where we are today because of it. I do believe going forward, this is what's going to happen. In the next 3 to 5 to 10 years in the renewable energy space, we're going to get more done, I think, on a year-over-year basis than we did in the previous 3 years. I think you're going to see a 300 to 400% compounded increase over the next couple of years. The amount of storage capacity and the amount of actual efficiency, it's going to be amazing. And I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to hear what the results are for all this and how this transforms down to all of us as individuals, consumers in our own homes, energy efficiencies, and as well as how the looks, the aesthetics of these products, the panels, the technology working together. I think it's going to be amazing. I'm really, really optimistic about what the next 3 or 4 years looks like in regards to renewable energy, and I'm pretty sure everybody who watches a channel like this is also. So let me know your thoughts and comments, drop them below. Looking forward to seeing them, and thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks.